Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Ragi, also known as finger millets, is one of the highly nutritious cereals out there. Indian cooking has involved millets for a very long time now. You can also find a few places in our country where people strictly and regularly consume millets for their daily food. And today I am going to share an interesting bread. We are going to make Ragi Rotis. So why wait, let's get started and check it out. To make the dough, to a bowl add 1 heaped cup of Ragi Flour. This is a 250 ml cup measurement. To this I am adding 3/4 cup of rice flour. Next add half teaspoon of salt and gently mix that in. These rotis are perfect gluten-free and tasty rotis that you can easily make at home. So now add 1 teaspoon of oil and mix that in. Next we're going to cook the flour by adding hot boiling water to it gradually. So make sure you add little water at a time and start mixing the flour. Since we're adding boiling water, I'm gently mixing it with a spatula first. Just make sure the flour is getting cooked. So you can see the dough is coming together so beautifully. It's nicely binding together. So at this point, you can stop adding any water and start mixing it and kneading it with your hands. So let me warn you that the dough will still be a little hot at this point. So just be careful. So if you feel the dough is a little bit too sticky, you can just dust it with some rice flour or ragi flour. I'm just adding a few drops of oil to my palm and just rubbing it all over the dough. Just smoothen the dough gently. Close the bowl and let the dough rest for about 10 minutes. So after 10 minutes, I'm dividing the dough into equal sized dough balls. Dust the rolling surface with a little flour. Roll the dough ball in a little bit of flour first. Place it on the rolling surface. Flatten it and gently start rolling it out. When you're rolling out the rotis, make sure it's not too thin or too thick. You can see it's just in between. I usually don't get perfect circles, so I'm going to use a cutter to cut out perfect circles for these rotis. So make all the rotis in this manner and keep it aside. So once you've made all of them, heat a tawa. Once the tawa is nice and hot, start cooking the rotis. So maintain the flame on a medium and cook the roti on both sides. So gently keep pressing it on the sides. Once the rotis are cooked, just add a little bit of ghee. Flip it on both sides. Now the ragi rotis are done and you can enjoy them nice and hot right out of the tawa. These are super soft. You can make them in batches and you can store them. They're really tasty and they're super healthy. I'm serving these rotis with this really tasty and simple tomato onion sabji by the side. You can enjoy it with any side dish of your choice. I'll give you a couple of links for other roti recipes that I've made. You can check them out as well. I am so glad to be sharing this wonderful and healthy recipe with all you guys. I've made sure this is gluten-free, so all of you can benefit out of it. Do try the recipe, enjoy and share it with your family and friends. So for more exciting and wonderful recipes, subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get your notifications. The second edition of our home cooking book is now available on our website 21frames.in. I'll give you the link in the description. You can go and check it out. The book is currently available only in India for now, so you can place your orders on 21frames.in.